See, Zanta need to be careful about this mobile case. You need to be careful about this mobile case because you know what tell me say you are aware that Sam Lally is denying it that he didn't touch mobile that day of your music shoot. And you didn't you know if you come and say Zanta know if you come and say and say okay, you Sam Lally, you do it. I see you do it, you touch mobile that day. I did it that day. That can you understand? Make it be say that time talk because you know tell me say that time don't come out yourself like that. Meaning there's something fishing. You must defend yourself. Fanboy will be say fanboy will be say you know follow them Richards. Fanboy will be say you know follow them Richards. But when mobile by the carry fanboy dey sell for almost 3 months. Where they take torture am, where they take the understand that kind of thing. Where they take carry am. Just to change narrative. So why they not carry Zlatan that period? Why they not come ask a question? Why they not call Zlatan come ask some kind of question? Make the public know wetin dey sup. Why Zlatan no come and want to say for a live video or do any that period want to say Sam Lally, no lie, you no go deny am, you no go escape am. You touch mobile that day. I was there. That kind of thing. That kind of one go make us believe say yes, true. Sam Lally and Ramali have something to do with this mobile case. You understand? But it didn't come out. You not be sure, but you not be talking anything. That made them the base Sam Lally and Ramali because they nobody come and come start against them. Nobody come and come to say yes, I was there when it happened. I was there. Now this thing I very like my dog say there's something they cook up somewhere that is smelling. There's something they cook up somewhere that is smelling. The thing that is you know the mobile spirit, the mobile spirit disturb. They whine. This and everybody. Maybe they don't do all this thing to other person, but you get person who go do this thing, The spirit no go rest. Spirit no go rest. That is you go they you say we try we try that kind of mistake. You say go they say why me try this thing? So now what they stop so since when they don't say me they do autopsy to choke by this guy, me they do investigation for where they carry this guy dead body as they bring a come and they come for mortuary. Since 2 years now, this guy dead body they side mortuary. To tell you say these people are just keeping saying they are just doing investigation for just 2 years old. Say they are not doing the investigation. Just for the matter to die off. Just for the matter to just die off. Just for the matter to just die off. Nobody say they find any justice. Nothing, not just the matter to just die off. The people that behind this have paid the government, have paid some of all these corrupt people in the government to fight against the case, to cover against the case. If not, wetin go make una dey talk say na dey do investigation or serious case, murder case. For una to first of all carry your wife first, carry everybody wey dey around that day within that 24 hours. Carry everybody. Prime boy was not there within 24 hours. Was not within. Your wife was there. They were putting on the wife. Let me make a white people. They like white people. So white people, let people like. Let make me like the way. Let make me like the way. If anything sub for any place, if they come that place, everybody's a suspect. They never carry anybody. They never say na all of them I don't until now. No, they will interrogate everybody. They will interrogate everybody. Even though say they try hide secret, you go the way they will torture you self. They will find out say yes, you really do this. But our government system are so corrupt that they go to see corruption, they go to see as na right thing to do. Now the way this government be, this present government be now, they go to see corruption, they go to see as na normal thing. This corruption now, they rub off our face. Imagine president come out say na a turn to be president for Nigeria. Do nobody argue with you. You enter. Not only you enter, till today we never say anything you do as a president. The first thing you do as a president na to increase fare. The second thing na to change national anthem wey dey own. The third thing na to go borrow money, billions of naira. You don borrow more 2 times now for where you don enter. This president wey enter now, you don borrow 2 times. Only you enter now, go carry 10 billion, go carry solar from China, put for your house. Meaning you are not having chance to give us light in this country. These people are robbing corruption for our faith, saying we no fit do anything. As a president, what is your work? You have not been make arrangement of a company, of signing a company, or making. President fit do am. Forget all this one I say. Our president fit do am. Let companies, they go say, make they create like 20 company within the state. Company of things where they produce something. Once you start to produce something for this country, you start to get work. You go start say this country go fall in place. Even though say government no dey even dey work, no be dey. You go start say individual self go even start dey even dey work all these things dem. Because government know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. All these people are using corruption to rub off our face. They rub corruption for our face, say we no fit do anything. So now make me tell you, say you got to wake up. Wake up. Not allow social media manipulate you. Be your real self. Live as the way you should live online is the way you live real life. But there are some things you limit yourself posting. You understand? But live your real life. Don't change. Come online, you live another life. Then offline, you are living another thing. Like differently from all online. All online people are seeing you like a big man, all kind of thing. But offline now, you are nobody. You are even begging to eat, that kind of thing. So live the way you are, for you to understand the way things work. Because if you start to live the way you know be, now you go make them feel manipulate you into doing what you know if you do. What if you say you know if you expect if you do. So